Okay, we are going to quickly look at what to do, what's the most important thing when someone is released on bail. Now, especially in domestic violence cases, I'm going to focus on that. Most of the time, if someone is being investigated for a domestic violence or domestic related incident, they are likely to be bailed with conditions. Now, sometimes you can win the case at the court. That's a realistic possibility, especially if the allegations are made in a very hyper emotional state, or there is a lot of exaggerations. But the most important thing is when you are bailed, you're given some conditions. It's extremely important for you to understand that that person who is being released from the police station, he has bail conditions. Make sure those bail conditions are complied with. So say for example, your partner made an allegation against you and now you have been arrested and you're on police bail, but then the partner contacts you and say, oh, I'm not feeling good about it, I'm sorry, or what's going to be, how are you going to deal with the rent, or how are we going to deal with the children, or what's going to happen. Now the contract has been initiated by the other party, but keep in mind this is a potential breach of bail, as in the partner is not on bail. The person who was arrested earlier and who has been released, he is on bail or she is on bail. So important thing is the bail should not be breached. It's a very unfortunate and a very difficult situation to see when you feel like, as a lawyer, as a solicitor, as an advocate, like you can win the case at the court, but a person is going down for a breach of a bail, and if the authorities, if the officers have the evidence of if they can prove that's a breach of bail, it's then the court or the courts are very strict about it. So essentially, you're not going to be asked guilty or not guilty. You're literally going to be asked like, have you breached the bail? Yes or no. How do you admit that you have breached the bail? Yes or no. It's a very difficult position to be in, and it goes in your criminal record. It stays there, and if in the future, God forbid, something bad happens, then they're going to look at your record and see, okay, you have already breached bail. Shows a person who has no respect for the authorities. The prosecution is going to argue that, and a person will have a lot of difficulty getting the bail next time. So most important thing is make sure the bail conditions are followed, they're not breached, and get in touch with solicitors who can advise you what to do next. And have a good day. Thank you. Bye.